Welcome to CodeFlex. Today we are in the ninth part of our tutorial. In previous tutorial we have seen our how to create an API using the Django REST framework, but that API is not secure. So in this tutorial, uh, I have to teach you how to secure your API using some settings to the Django REST framework. This tutorial is very simple, and but it is very much useful in production environment. So first open your code editor. Just run your previously created project, go to your API view, run it. This API is now accessible without any authentication. Okay, we are checking that user is not authenticated, but the API is accessible. Okay, now we have to protect this API so that it can only be viewed by an authenticated user. So open your settings file, go to any part. I am selecting this part. Just type in capital letter rest underscore framework is equal to open braces in single quotes in capital. You have to set the permission class default underscore permissions underscore classes colon function bracket, enter, single quotes in small letter rest underscore framework dot permissions dot is authenticated. Put comma, just save the file. Application is running. Just go to that view and reload that view. Now you can see that authenticated credentials are not provided. Now we check if any authenticated user can access this. Just copy this link, go to another tab, just put your username and password here and press on login. Okay, now go to that view and reload the page. Now it's accessible, so that a authenticated user can access this. There is admin user. Okay, but in production environment the view is not like that. You have to just produce a JSON view. For that there is also a simple setting in the settings file, so that you specify that setting in the settings.py file in Django, so that the view is in JSON format. For that you have to go to your settings file, here put single quotes default underscore renderer underscore classes colon open function bracket, enter, single quotes rest underscore framework dot permissions renderer dot JSON renderer. We have to produce in JSON format of our API, so that we are specifying that JSON renderer. Okay, come on, just save the file and go to your API view and reload the current view. Now it's showing in JSON format. It is very much beneficial while going to any production environment. Okay, so you can easily use this type of JSON renderer while going to production. Okay, that's all for this video. Please, if you like the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to our channel.